We look forward to it every year, just seeing the pride beaming from those children, thanking these veterans to come here and be with my daughter. It means a lot to me.
For the past 8 years, Thomas Ultican Elementary has been home to a unique Veterans Day tradition.
Thank you guys.
With the school holding a special parade and program for local service members, with many of those in attendance being parents or relatives of students at the school, like Missouri National Guardsman Michael Benz, who's been participating in the event since it began back in 2010.
It's wonderful. I grew up in Blue Springs School District, and to see as an adult coming back through the school system that the same values we're teaching our children, that's why I live here.
And while the morning ceremony is meant to honor the veterans, the school's principal says it's equally special for the kids, as the patriotic-themed program gives the Wild Kittens a chance to show off their personal heroes in front of their classmates.
Them walking through the hallways with our kids waving the flags, it's an indescribable feeling for our kids to be able to show their appreciation and learn what it means to be appreciative of our veterans. It's just really touching and moving.
And a gesture that many families come back to participate in year after year.
For them to take this kind of time and put this kind of a program together, there's got to be some respect and honor in it, because you can see it in their faces and you can see the handshakes and some of the hugs. It gets emotional.
For more information on the Blue Springs School District, check us out on Facebook and Twitter, or visit the website at bssd.net.